Melissa. I am so excited to be here today to do a really fun unboxing. So obviously I have all these tumblers and cups and different things in front of me, and I am really excited to be able to open this new shipment that just came from Save a Cup. So if you are not familiar with Save a Cup, they are amazing. It's almost one of the only places that I now get my cups and tumblers for vinyl, for UV DTF, and for engraving. So they've got tons of different colors, tons of different styles. I love them because they're prices are unreal. You do not even need to have a wholesale account to get this like wholesale pricing. So I'm going to show you what's in this box. I actually already know what's in this box, although I haven't seen them all in person. So I'm really excited to show you, but I will give you a little hint. It is a couple more of these 40-ounce chargers. Now, this is a sample one that I have been using. To engrave, I actually took the handle off already so that I could do a full wrap. And the colors that you are going to see in this box are unreal, I think. Like I said, I haven't even seen them yet. So let's see fully what's in here. So these are, as I mentioned, the 40-ounce chargers. They are equivalent to the more popular brand that rhymes with Stanley, whatever you want to say. These are, as I said, from Save a Cup. So I've got 4 of them here. They come in actually 12 different colors. So I actually have 5 of them because I have this like mauve looking one too. So I'm really excited to see what these other ones look like. Now, here's the thing. They start at $12.99. That's the highest price if you just buy one. The more you buy, the less expensive they get. So the first price drop starts at buying just 4, and then it goes up to, I don't know, $999. And the price continues to drop. So you can get them as cheap as $9.99, which is why, I should say it's one of the reasons that I love them. So this is, what is this one called? It's clearly a white. Soft matte white onyx. So this one is really pretty. Now, one thing that you're gonna notice, no logo. So you are not dealing, if you are engraving, these are super popular for engraving. They engrave they're stainless steel. So they engrave a silver stainless steel under there. There's no logo to try to center off of or work around. So that's one thing that I love. The handle has a little hex screw here on the two spots, here and here, as you can see, and you just use a little hex screw to undo the handle while you're engraving. If you want, you don't have to, and it has these little like pegs there that then you can put them back on. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. I'm gonna open that one last. So we've got white, I should say it's called soft matte white onyx. Okay, and they also all come, this is a pretty one. This is called soft matte deep teal. It is almost like a forest green. Yeah, this is really nice. This could be for men or women. This one's great. I love that. They come with straws as well, 2 straws and a screw-on lid. Okay, so the lid is the slide kind of lid, and it doesn't just sit on, it screws on to help prevent spillage. Okay, so I'll put those there. I'm going to put this one here too so you can see this one as well. Let's see how much we can fit in this picture. Here's one. All the other stuff that's on here as well is also from Save a Cup. It's just different styles. Okay, and then we've got this one, matte sea glass. Okay, I'll pull out the straws. Oh, this one, I love this color. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I don't even think it's going to show. It looks more bluish in the video from what I'm seeing. This is like a really soft teal. It's really pretty. It's like seafoam. Beautiful color. So that's that. Again, the highest price is $12.99 for one. If you buy more, the price begins to drop. And as I said, you can put, so this, for example, is this wrap that's on here is UV DTF wrap. You could do the same on here. You could put stickers on here, vinyl stickers, or you can engrave. These are not for sublimation. There's other products that they have for sublimation. This is not one of them. Okay, now this one I saved intentionally because it's called Berry Glow Magic Glitter, and I have no idea what that means. So we are gonna find this out together. Oh my gosh, it's like an ombre. Let me move this one up. out of the way so you can see. Ooh, so it's, oh man, this is really gonna be hard to see. It has a glitter on there. This is absolutely beautiful. It's like, this one's like a, almost like a glossy, high gloss finish, while these other ones are, as you can see, like matte, okay? So really depending on what you're looking for, but this one still is stainless steel, still can be engraved also for stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how, I'm going to do tutorials and videos on how to engrave all of these, not just full, you could do a full wrap. This one again was a practice one. What I really like about these is that even though it tapers in, it's not super dramatic. So sometimes you get those tumblers where they go in really tightly and then back down. This is a more gradual, like I call it like a step down or whatever, so a more gradual taper. So you can engrave the full thing. You could just engrave on one side, whatever you want to do. Like this one, for example, because I was engraving with my smaller F1, which is only about this wide, I just did from the top up to here. Again, this one was a test. I'm going to show you on all of these various ways to engrave. Just to give you some examples, like here's one, another one from Save a Cup that was engraved. Obviously these are like kids, these are, I don't know, probably 12 ounces I think. Okay, so they engrave really nice. This is an acrylic, I think it's called the acrylic port. I'm gonna put links to all this stuff in the description below. Again, really everything, the thing about Save a Cup is they don't have a huge selection. So for example, you're not gonna find this in a million different colors. You're gonna find this style in 12 different colors. But the colors that they have, every single one is amazing. They're all beautiful colors. I mean, how can you argue with that? Look at this. And then you've got these other little smaller ones. This is called the 12-ounce maker. Okay, these are the 40-ounce chargers. This is, I can't even read that, skinny tumbler. My guess is this is 18 ounces. Yep, 18 ounces for that one. This is the same thing as that, but it's just obviously I haven't done anything with it yet. These are acrylic. These are not for engraving. And then you've got this one, just a traditional tapered tumbler. This is, looks like two, kind of like, it almost has like a layered look. Let me see. This one's called, this is just a 24-ounce classic tumbler. It's called, this again comes in a bunch of different colors. So again, I'm going to put all the links below, but if you are not familiar with Save a Cup, I highly suggest checking them out because the price alone you cannot beat. I have searched all over the place for 40-ounce chargers, for 40-ounce tumblers, and you will not find them on any reputable website, Walmart, Target, Amazon, for less than what you will find on Save a Cup. And again, I know some people like the brand names, and I know some people like that logo to show off. I'm not one of them. I do not like to have to work around a logo. So for example, if you are, if you're engraving this and it has a logo down here and you engrave here, now it looks off center. But if you don't have a logo on there, you don't have to worry about it. All right, you guys, I hope you found a new place to get all your tumblers. And again, all the links in the description below.